Hello. Today I want to work on a fossil watch which they designed in Twist series. This is Twist line of fossil ME-1038 model, and this watch has special design. They put together mechanical part and quartz movement together in one case. So quartz movement responsible for time, minutes, hours, 24 hours time format, date and day, while mechanical part is responsible only for moving second hand, and mechanical part is automatically winding. The main spring is here, and this is the balance and many gears between these two parts visible from outside, and it drives this second hand only. So the time when battery will expire, you need to change battery, but this watch doesn't provide easy way to exchange battery, to replace battery. I found some video, only one video on YouTube about changing battery in this particular model, and I thought that way what they showed is very tedious, very ineffective, and they asking to remove a lot of parts from the movement. I will show later what they suggest to do, and I found another way how to replace battery in much easier way. So let's open the watch and move movement out. This is the 4 screws on the back to remove case back. So case back could be removed now, and there is a visible mechanical part with flywheel which allows to wind the mainspring automatically. When you shake your hand, when you're moving, this wheel also rotating and winding the spring, which allowed only second hand to move, nothing else. All this mechanical part is for one small hand only, and behind this plate there is quartz movement which is not accessible from here, and we can see battery here. So this battery should be replaced, and I will show how to do that. We can remove this movement holder, and we need to pull out the crown, and movement could be removed from the case. So this is big metal part which holds mechanical stuff and covers the movement. The video on the YouTube what I found about replacing the battery in this watch suggests to remove this wheel, this mechanical part, and then unscrewing three screws here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws for mechanical part to remove. Then I think 6 screws around this plate, and then this plate will go up, and they suggest to remove battery. And I found it very ineffective way, and also I found the easiest way how to get to this, to the battery, to the quartz movement. When I will lift this metal part all together, and I need to hold that quartz movement in place so it will not be lifted together with this plate. And I lifted this plate and I remove it. There is battery, and this is whole quartz movement here. Let me show what is inside here. This is the main spring, this is balance, and many gears between them. And when I removed this plate, the second hand dropped on the table. This is only thing what we need to put back instead of this big plate. So let's replace battery. And we can put this back to the place. As you can see, the movement is working because spring was ready to move whole second hand. So we are putting this back. The most important thing here to match this second hand axle here with that small hole. Otherwise this axle could be broken. So we will check from this side if it's matching the hole. And everything came together. Nothing we need to remove but this hand. So let's put this hand back. And it doesn't matter in which direction you will put this hand, because it's rotating around the dial anyway. Okay. So this is actually about changing battery in this wristwatch. Fossil twist line ME-1038. Thank you for watching.